You're doing Obsidian completely wrong if you're just taking random notes without a proper PKM workflow. I'm about to show you the exact system that transforms Obsidian from a glorified notepad into a powerful second brain that actually helps you think better and remember everything. Most people open Obsidian, create a few scattered notes, maybe link a couple things together, and then wonder why their knowledge management system feels like a digital junk drawer. The problem isn't Obsidian, it's that you're missing the foundational workflow that makes everything click together. According to productivity research from Building a Second Brain methodology, the most successful knowledge workers use a systematic approach called code capture, organize, distill, and express. Today I'm showing you how to build this exact system in Obsidian. First, let's set up your vault structure properly. Open Obsidian and create a new vault called PKM System. In the File Explorer panel, we're creating 4 main folders. Create a folder called Inbox, this is where everything starts. Every single note, web clip, random thought goes here first. Next, create areas, these are your ongoing responsibilities like work projects, health, finances. Then create resources, reference materials, how-to guides, articles you want to keep. Finally, create archive, completed projects and old materials you don't need active access to. Now we're setting up the core plugins that make this workflow actually work. Go to Settings, then Community Plugins, and enable Community Plugins. Install the Templater plugin first, this automates note creation so you're not starting from scratch every time. Install the DataView plugin, this turns Obsidian into a database that can show you exactly what notes you have and what needs attention. Add the Calendar plugin to see your daily notes in context, and grab the Tag Wrangler for better organization. Let's create your capture templates. In the Templates folder, create a new note called Daily Note Template. Here's the magic structure, start with today's date, add sections for tasks, notes, and reflections. Use double brackets to link to your areas folder like this, work projects, personal development, learning. Add a quick capture section at the bottom where random thoughts go before you process them properly. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and I've got an advanced Obsidian automation series coming next week. Create your second template called Project Note Template. Every significant project gets its own note using this structure: project overview, current status, next actions, related notes, and resources. The key is using consistent formatting so DataView can automatically track all your projects later. In the metadata section at the top, add tags for the area this belongs to and the current status. Now here's where most people mess up, they skip the processing routine. Set up a weekly review template called Weekly Review Template. This forces you to process your inbox, update project statuses, and maintain your system. Include sections for inbox processing, project updates, and next week's focus. According to David Allen's Getting Things Done methodology, the weekly review is what keeps any productivity system actually productive. Let's configure DataView to make your system intelligent. Create a new note called Dashboard in your root folder. Add a DataView query that shows all notes in your inbox folder, this ensures nothing gets forgotten. Add another query showing all project notes with status equals active. Create a third query displaying notes modified in the last 7 days so you can see what you've been working on recently. Set up your linking strategy properly. Use the double bracket linking liberally, but be strategic about it. When you mention a concept, person, or project that might be relevant later, link it. The graph view will start showing connections you didn't even realize existed. But don't go crazy, link things that actually relate to each other, not every random word. Configure your tagging system to support your workflow. Use area tags like work, personal, learning to categorize broadly. Use status tags like active, someday, complete for projects. Use type tags like meeting note, book note, idea to identify what kind of content you're looking at. The tag pane will become your command center for finding specific types of content quickly. Here are the pro tips that separate beginners from power users. First, use the quick switcher with Ctrl+O constantly, it's faster than clicking through folders. Set up hotkeys for your most common templates so creating new notes is instant. Use the search function with operators like tag, file, and path to find exactly what you need. The local graph view on individual notes shows connections you might have missed. Enable the backlinks panel for every note. This shows which other notes reference the current one, creating serendipitous discoveries. Use the outline panel to navigate long notes quickly. The file recovery plugin saves you when you accidentally delete something important. Create a morning routine around your daily note. Open today's note, review yesterday's reflections section, check your dashboard for inbox items to process, and set your top 3 priorities. This 15-minute routine keeps your entire system current and useful. Set up automated backups using the Obsidian sync service or sync your Vault folder with Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud. Your knowledge system is only valuable if it's always available and never lost. The real power emerges after about 30 days of consistent use. Your graph view starts revealing unexpected connections between ideas. Your dashboard queries surface forgotten projects that need attention. Your linked references help you build on previous thoughts instead of starting over. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. This PKM workflow transforms how you capture, organize, and use information. Your future self will thank you for building this system now. Subscribe for more advanced Obsidian tutorials and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily tech content.